What have you done? You ruined my car!
I'm so sorry I didn't see it.
How could you not see it? It's right there. I'm gonna need to see your insurance documents.
I'm so sorry, but I don't have insurance.
What do you mean you don't have insurance? Don't you know it's illegal to drive without insurance?
I've been meaning to get it, but...
You know what? We'll let the cops handle it.
Oh, please don't. I can't afford to get arrested.
Well, you should have thought about that before you hit my car.
I'm a single mother. I have a son. If I go to jail, I don't know what'll happen to him.
What's your son's name?
His name's Thomas. Here's $500. Whatever it costs, I'll work to pay the rest of the damage off. I promise.
I thought you said you didn't have any money.
That's all the money I have to my name.
What were you gonna do with it?
I was gonna buy my son a PlayStation 5. For the last 3 Christmases, he hasn't gotten a gift. I work 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, and between the mortgage and all the expenses, I don't have anything extra to do anything special for him. So this year, I saved really hard to be able to buy him what he really wanted.
Why don't you give me your phone number, and we'll figure out how to fix it.
Okay.
What's your name?
Nicole.
Okay. I'm Lisa. We'll be in touch, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Mom, did you get it?
Not yet, baby. But I will. Soon.
If it's too expensive, you don't have to worry about it. I already have the best Christmas gift ever.
And what's that?
I have you as my mom. And there's no gift that could ever make me more happy.
Oh, baby. That's the most beautiful thing anybody's ever said to me.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, baby. Hello?
Hey, Nicole, it's Lisa.
Hi, Lisa. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. I just talked to my husband, and we would like to have you and Thomas come over to the house.
Oh. Okay. We can do that.
Okay, great. I'll send you the address.
Okay.
Nicole, I'm so glad you decided to come.
Thank you for inviting us.
Absolutely. This is my husband, Nathan.
Hi, guys.
Hello, sir.
Welcome to our home.
Hello, sir.
Hi, welcome. Please have a seat.
Would you like something to drink?
I'm fine, thank you.
How about you, Thomas? Would you like a soda?
I'm alright. Thank you.
So, Nicole, Lisa was telling me about what happened earlier today.
Yes, I'm so sorry. I'll do everything I can to pay back all the damage.
I wasn't talking about that. I was talking about your life story. Lisa, I would be lying to tell you that I wasn't touched by your story. Your passion and your love for your son is admirable. Hey, Thomas. Got something for you.
Oh my God! Mom, it's a PS5! Oh my gosh! Thank you!
We're not done yet.
What is this?
That is an account that we opened. The account has $20,000 on it. It's all yours.
I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything.
I'm gonna need you to fill those out.
What is this?
Me and Nathan own a company, and we'd like to hire you for a position that we have open.
I'd like to give you a starting salary of $6,000 a month.
Well, why would you do something like that for me?
You're a very passionate person. The way that you talk about your son and the sacrifices that you've made, it's so incredible. The moment I heard your story, I knew that you were a great person and you deserve a lot more.
I would rather be broke than to be rich and watch good people like you suffer. We just want you to have a Merry Christmas.
Thank you both so much. Can I give you both a hug?
Sure.
Yes.
Get in here, big guy.
Get in on that.
All right. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.